Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to be taking an in-depth look and test drive of the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue. This example is an SV trim and it retails for around $28,000 when you include destination. I will say this offers a pretty good value for someone who doesn't want to break the bank, but Nissan also offers a lot of new, very fancy tech and luxury appointments in the SL and Platinum trims, which differ quite a bit from what you're going to see in this one. So throughout the video, I'll be sure to highlight all of those features. This video is brought to you guys by Nextbase and their 622 GW 4K dash cam. Having owned a 522 GW for the last year, I'm pretty excited to try this thing out. So later in the video, we'll do a quick unboxing, set it up, and check out all of the new features. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start her up and let her run. This day and age, the mid-size crossover has become one of the industry's largest and fastest growing segments. With competition heating up across the board, manufacturers are constantly thinking of new ways to give more value when it comes to functionality, flexibility, technology, and safety. For Nissan and the all-new 2021 Rogue, the goal was simple: make life easier. That being said, Nissan's best-selling model gets a total redo from the ground up to meet the needs of young families. From the outside, we see more expressive and bold styling that's tough yet sporty. There's a lot of cool details, including the floating roof, evolved V-motion grille, and the U-shape body side highlights. There's also a number of neat aerodynamic touches too, such as the 3D tire deflectors in the lower front fascia, an active grille shutter to control airflow into the engine compartment, special A-pillar shaping, underbody covers to help manage airflow under the vehicle, and a unique air curtain that helps direct airflow from the front to the sides of the Rogue. There are many benefits to improving aerodynamics of a vehicle, including fuel economy, but with the new Rogue, I noticed the interior was notably quieter. New multi-level LED headlamps are standard on all trim levels and give off great lighting at night. LED fog lamps are available. The body itself is about 1.5 inches shorter and 0.2 inches lower than its predecessor. As far as pricing, before destination, the 2021 Rogue ranges from $25,650 to $35,430. If you want all-wheel drive, add $1,400. There are 4 trim levels: S, SV, SL, and Platinum. Total MSRP for this example, including a $1,095 destination charge and $385 for the floor mat and cargo area protector package, comes to $28,820. Under the hood of the new Rogue is a familiar but updated powertrain. Starting with the engine, it's a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder that develops 181 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 181 pound-feet of torque at 3,600 RPM. That's an increase of 11 horsepower and 6 pound-feet of torque over the previous generation. The engine features new mirror bore coatings, a variable displacement oil pump, and a cylinder head integrated exhaust manifold. The engine is comprised of an aluminum block and head with double overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, and dual continuous variable valve timing. Fuel is delivered via direct injection with a compression ratio of 12:1. Maximum engine speed is 6,200 RPM. The only transmission offered is Nissan's Xtronic CVT, featuring dynamic step shifting, wider gear ratio coverage, and an adaptive shift controller. The new electronic shifter design eliminates the need for mechanical equipment underneath the shifter, allowing for extra storage space underneath the floating center console. With a CVT, you don't have fixed gear ratios. It's a continuously variable transmission that alters its shifting behavior based on speed and driving style. That being said, Nissan has done a really good job finessing this transmission in recent years to improve refinement and reliability. 9 times out of 10, it honestly feels like a traditional automatic with the stepped ratios that mimic the sensation of changing gears. There's even a manual shifting mode with paddle shifters if you want to play around a bit. CVTs aren't everyone's cup of tea, but giving credit where it's due, the Rogue's powertrain offers good overall performance and quick response with stellar fuel economy. With front-wheel drive models, the EPA estimates range between 27 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. I averaged around 30 miles per gallon in mixed driving. That's running on regular 87 octane too. The total tank capacity is 14.5 gallons. 3 drive modes are included on front-wheel drive models, while 5 are included on all-wheel drive models. The 3 basic modes include Standard, Eco, and Sport, with the additional 2 being Off-Road and Snow. Each adjusts engine, transmission, vehicle dynamic control, steering, and, if equipped, all-wheel drive functions. The all-wheel drive system has also been redesigned with a new electro-hydraulic controlled clutch, which can control torque more accurately and quickly by predicting front wheel slippage, making torque distribution to the rear more responsive. Depending on the trim level, wheel sizes range from 17 to 19 inches in diameter. Here we have 18 by 7.5 inch alloys, which are unique to the SV. They're wrapped in 235/60 Bridgestone all-season tires. A temporary spare tire can be found in the trunk. For stopping power, the Rogue has 4-wheel disc brakes, 11.7-inch discs in front and 11.5-inch discs in the rear, all of which are internally ventilated to better dissipate heat. 4-wheel, 4-channel, 4-sensor ABS, electronic brake force distribution, and brake assist are also included. The single-piston calipers do a good job at bringing this 3,400-pound SUV to a stop quickly, even under hard panic stops. Underpinning the Rogue is a new, fully independent suspension with more rigid mounting points than before, featuring struts and coil springs in front and a new multi-link design in the rear, not to mention front and rear sway bars and twin-tube shock absorbers. It handles well for what it is and absorbs most road imperfections for a smooth and comfortable ride. The electric assisted steering system was also redesigned for 2021 to help minimize steering corrections thanks to a quicker overall ratio of 14.3 to 1. It's smooth with variable assist based on your speed of travel, giving you greater precision at higher speeds and easier maneuverability at lower speeds. It takes about 2.5 turns from lock to lock and has a turning diameter of 35.4 feet. The D-shaped steering wheel adds a touch of sport while making way for more leg space. It's adjustable for both tilt and reach. Leather wrapping is standard on the SL and Platinum trims. The buttons on the upper spokes let you have easy access to the essentials, including a comprehensive driver information system. Once again, a big thanks to Nextbase for supporting the channel. The 622GW is their latest 4K top-of-the-line dash cam. I've owned a 522GW for the last year and it's been awesome. Dash cams are nice as they give you peace of mind whether you have young children, new drivers, or whether you're just out and about. In all honesty, there's a lot of dash cam manufacturers out there nowadays with a lot of options to choose from. What I really like about Nextbase is that they not only offer a wide variety of camera options to suit any budget, but they also offer a wide range of accessories to get even more functionality out of your camera, such as cabin view, and rear window cameras. The main camera is really easy to install and comes with 2 different style mounts depending on if you want it more mobile or permanent. The accessory cameras simply plug into the side of the main camera and record their separate image simultaneously. The accessory cameras are nice for added security if you do ride sharing, but they also give you an extra witness, so to speak, if someone hits you from the sides or rear in order to supplement an insurance claim. Just like my 522GW, this camera also records telemetry data. If you go through the My Nextbase app and click on previously filmed clips, you'll be able to see where you were traveling via GPS, how fast you were going, and more. Other notable features worth mentioning include built-in Alexa voice control and emergency SOS automatic dispatch sensor alerts. The 622GW also offers enhanced night vision, image stabilization, and a parking mode that will automatically start recording in the event of a break-in. An extreme weather mode was added as well in order to enhance visibility and detail in rain, shine, fog, or snow, while super slow motion playbacks give you complete control of the video so no detail is missed. Be sure to check out the Nextbase line of dash cams via the link in the description box below and use the discount code NEXTBASESAVE20 through December 31st. The code is good for both in-store purchases at Best Buy and online. Thanks so much, everyone. A newly available motion-activated tailgate can be had to make opening and closing easier when your arms are full. Of course, with that option, the tailgate is fully powered. It's manually operated on the SV, but it's light enough that it doesn't take much effort to open. Inside the cargo area, you'll find lots of open and usable space. With the rear seats in place, you have 31.6 cubic feet worth of space. However, with the available divide and hide cargo management system, the space can be increased to 36.5 cubic feet. The rear seats are split 60-40 so they can be folded down as needed. A remote fold feature is available so you can easily fold them down from the cargo area. Total storage space with everything laid out is 74.1 cubic feet. Throughout the interior, you'll also find plenty of storage points, including a generous glove box that features a soft opening lid, a butterfly opening center console, plenty of cup holders, door pockets, seatback storage, and even the floating center console. The latter is one of my favorite new styling elements. It creates a modern, sleek look that makes the cabin feel more open up front. I've driven a number of Rogues over the past several years, and the thing that's always stood out to me amongst some of its competitors is the interior. Even in more basic trims, the Rogue offers a comfortable, quiet interior that feels well built. This is even more true when you start getting into the SL and Platinum trims. For 2021, Nissan went back to the drawing boards to give the Rogue a fresh feel with more value and premium materials. There's lots of soft touch points, two-tone color options, and a few upholstery options, including perforated diamond quilted leather. The seat foam is the same NASA-inspired zero-gravity design that Nissan's been touting for a number of years now. They're some of the most comfortable in the segment. In this example, the driver's seat is fully powered with power lumbar. The passenger seat is manually adjustable. The headrests and seatbelts are also adjustable. For colder temperatures, heated front and rear seats are available, along with heated side view mirrors and a heated steering wheel. A dual-zone climate control system is standard with easy-to-reach controls. A tri-zone system is optional to give independent control for rear passengers. Not only that, but with the remote start system, standard on all trims but the base, the Rogue can automatically adapt cabin temperatures to a comfortable point before you even get inside. Nissan has added some pretty slick tech to the new Rogue. Unfortunately, a lot of it isn't shown on this example. With the SL, you're going to start getting into some of it, but it's the Platinum that really takes it to the next level. The three most noteworthy features include a 12-inch full TFT reconfigurable digital dashboard, a 10.8-inch heads-up display, and a 9-inch infotainment system. The standard instrument cluster has a combination of analog gauges and a 7-inch digital display that houses a comprehensive driver's information system. The infotainment display shown here spans 8 inches and offers all of the basic amenities you'd expect as far as media and wireless connectivity. On the SV, a 6-speaker audio system is included, while a 10-speaker Bose system is available on the SL and standard on the Platinum. Other available features not shown here include wireless Apple CarPlay, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a wireless smartphone charger that would be found in the center console just ahead of the shifter. The front of the center console also houses both USB Type-C and Type-A charging ports. Nissan's intelligent key system has been expanded to the rear doors as well as the front. Now you can unlock a rear door by pressing a button on the door handle or unlock all doors by pressing that same button twice. Previously, the buttons were only on the front door handles. Of course, to do this, you must have the key fob with you. The rear doors open up nearly 90 degrees, making it easier to get in and out, especially if you have children. Speaking of, a child seat can be installed in all 3 seating positions for added flexibility. The rear seat also has the NASA-inspired zero-gravity foam, making it quite comfy. Heated rear seats are available, along with the tri-zone climate control system and class-exclusive pull-up sunshades for the rear doors. People in the rear are treated with an abundance of space. Head and knee space are plentiful, with plenty of room to spare if you're around 6 feet tall. The seats also recline for greater comfort. All 3 headrests are adjustable, and there's a fold-down armrest with 2 cup holders. At the back of the center console, standard air vents help keep temperatures balanced. There's even a couple USB ports for charging mobile devices. A paramount for any vehicle this day and age is safety, and Nissan really pulled out all the stops by offering more standard safety technology than any other competitor in this segment. The 2021 Rogue is also the latest model to feature Nissan's Safety Shield 360 package across its entire lineup. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. Inside, there's 10 airbags located throughout the interior, including seat-mounted and side curtain airbags for front and rear occupants. In addition to Safety Shield 360, the new Rogue also offers driver alertness technology and rear door alert as standard equipment. If you want to take things a step further, Nissan also offers the Pro Pilot Assist system, which includes blind spot intervention and traffic sign recognition, as well as intelligent cruise control with steering assist. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth look at the 2021 Nissan Rogue. Be sure to stay tuned next time, leave a like down below, and subscribe today because there's always a lot more content where that came from. Take care, everyone.